We've just rolled out one of our biggest account security updates yet. This release brings passkey sign-in, new Microsoft sign-in options, along with stronger security options and a redesigned profile experience. If you want, you can create a passkey while signing in. Let's skip it for now. Navigate to Profile Settings to access the new account and sign-in features, and then click on Sign in Security. We've expanded our sign-in options. You can now sign up and sign in using your Microsoft account, alongside our existing Google option. Microsoft Sign-in is available across web, desktop, and mobile. Next up, Two-Factor Authentication. You can set up authenticator apps like Google Authenticator, Authy, 1Password, or Microsoft Authenticator. Copy the setup key or scan the QR code to get started. Or go password-free with Passkeys, using your fingerprint, face recognition, or device PIN. During setup, you'll receive one-time recovery codes to ensure you don't lose access if you lose your primary device. You can download them as a TXT file, or just copy them and store them somewhere safe. We've also added additional security controls. You can choose to remember trusted devices for 30 days, plus sensitive actions such as disabling 2FA, viewing recovery codes, or changing your email address now require re-authentication before proceeding. We've also reorganized your profile settings to make navigation simpler. Account deletion has also been separated into its own clearly labeled section. Finally, all automated emails sent by Apploye have a new visual design. You'll now see a cleaner design that's easier to read. See you in our next feature update video.